Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM owner ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join free today and start advertising for free. You can advertise whatever you want, affiliate programs, just no illegal stuff, no porno, nothing like that. You'll immediately get removed and banned. But if you got something you want to sell or promote or whatever, a message, yeah, that's it. ProAdvertisersClub.com. Join for free. Okay, here we are, February 6th. I'm going to do a video every day for the next year. I'm trying to reach a value in assets, which equals $10,000. I am making a video of this journey because I want to show people that it is now possible more than ever to make money online. No matter if you want to make money online, this is going to be an aspect of it. And if you like to play games, you're going to like this. I am currently only dealing with platforms that take credit cards. They take crypto too, but the ones that only accept crypto, I have not got into. So there's a lot more programs out there. Probably, could be a lot better, could be a lot worse. I don't know. So I only showcase platforms like that. I call them user friendly because I do not like to pay gas fees. I'm not crypto wallet savvy. Pretty basic on that stuff, even though I'm involved in it. So this platform does take credit cards. Now, I've been on it for a month now, and the rules are that from 1 year from January 2nd, so next year, if I'm close to it or at it, must report our outside investments money, which I do down here. Withdrawals will pay down outside money balance. My goal is to eventually withdraw the money to cover what I put in myself, which will, of course, take down my asset and keep me further from the goal. But it will also show that after my initial investment, all the profits have paid for itself. In other words, I will have it's like, you pull out the money that you invested and the rest of it was all made off itself. It's like a perpetuating thing. That's basically what I'm going to show you how to do here, or what I'm trying to learn how to do, and you can just follow along. I already included today's pack. Now, the packs I would not be using as a strategy right now, even though it is possible to pull out some very expensive cards, although the chances are slim, the percentages. But when you're making a video, people love to watch other people open packs, whether it's, Top Shots, whatever. So I'm going to open one pack a day. That will help because this video is also part of the strategy. The $10 spell book everybody has to buy to have access to the entire money making platform, part of it, but you can join for free and play for free. Okay, they give you free cards. Now, it won't be very powerful, and you might not win too much, but you'll at least be able to see how to play it. But I'm sticking to the side pretty much of how to increase the asset value of it and make money. And then single cards, I spent about $100 on. Most of them were summoners. The new pack system, the Chaos Legion that just came out, they have 6, I believe, new summoners, maybe 7. And I bought 2 of each because they're under $10 and they're legendaries. Or no, those are rare. It was the 0 cards that were legendary. And I bought some of those. But you want at least 1 summoner card of each category, because when you do battles, they'll put limitations on what category you can use. It might be fire one day, it might be earth. So you want to have all of them to go up, if you get more powerful. So, all right, let's get away from that part of it. I'm currently sitting with 99 DEC. That is from sales and rentals. So those are 2 ways to make income on this platform. Every day you have a quest and you have to win. Today was using the sneak ability. And that is an ability where your card can attack anywhere in line. It's a very good ability to have on some of your cards. And once you win 5 battles, you get a free chest. You can do this once a day. The chest can have a gold card in it worth a lot of money. It can have any cards in it, pretty much, the rewards cards. It can also have credits, which, see, I just made a sale or I just made a rental. You saw that move there to 103. You can also win potions. Potions help you get better items in the packs. So I always do this first. I do it before I videotape because it might take 5-10 minutes, and let's go and claim the reward. And I do that first before I open a pack, because what I find in this chest might help me inside the pack. So let's see if we can get over there. It's now remember, all these cards are NFTs, every single one. Okay, there's a potion. That's Alchemy Potion Charge. So I'm going to take that. And now we're going to go open the daily pack, which is over here in the shop. And we'll go down here. And I've already got the credits there. I put them in every morning. I'm confirming that I'm paying. There's about 10 different ways to generate income, maybe more. I kind of figure it out as I'm going along here. This is only my 5th video, I think. Okay, so I've got a potion that this one doubles the chance for gold foil cards, except for the Alpha and Gladius cases. Well, I just bought a Chaos because that's the only one you can buy in the store. All the other ones you got to get on the secondary market. And here's the pack. And I'm going to put it in here. And that was a message telling me I don't have enough potions to do all of it, but it doesn't matter. So each pack comes with 5 cards. Now this will go towards the total of my asset value. And they might be great cards. You might not even cover the cost of the pack, but the longer you have the cards, they're going to go up in value. And okay, so now it's guaranteed 1 rare card in a pack. So this is going to be at least a rare card or better. But before I flip that, like here's the sneak ability on this guy. I use him all the time. And that means I can put him anywhere in the line and he'll go attack. And he's relatively fast too. 6 or 7 is the highest. So, and he's not much mana, about half point. But as people collect these cards, you get, for a regular common card, you get 5 points. And that goes towards your power total. And that's how they dictate how many shards you get, splinter shards, which is another way to make money. But it also, they can combine the cards to make more powerful cards. When they do that, they destroy the cards that they combined, and which means the circulation of those cards decreases. And so every day, these cards are getting less and less of them available. Even though, like right now, there's a lot of them because they're still opening the packs. But over time, it will dwindle down to so small that the value, some of the most expensive cards here are like $500,000, and I'll show you the proof of that. So let's open this last card, and it's a rare, and I think I got her yesterday. So I'm probably going to combine her, and not a great pack, but a good one. I mean, you start to learn those uses and strategies for all these cards. Now, value-wise, I did not get my money back as of yet. So that's going to be a timed investment. And let's go over here to Peak Monsters. This is an app that is attached to the platform. Now, my investment so far personally is $320, I think. And this is what the value is. So you can see I've done over half of what I've put into it in value. Like, so if I sold all my cards, this is what I would get on the market. And then I could pull that money out and keep the profit if I wanted to, and go on. But I'm building this for the whole year, and we're going to see what I get to. That's what I'm renting out a day. The rentals, a lot of people are renting right now, so it's hard to really, unless you got a really big collection. But my rate of return on that is 29.34% a year. Okay. So let's go over to here to another way I'm making money, and that is I'm buying and selling. If you're doing anything on any market, you have to know your market. And it's a slow process. You got to learn it. But here's all the sales I made, two sales today so far. One at 20 minutes after midnight and one at 8:30. One was for 27 cents, one for 6. And then, and I've already done it this morning, but that goes back here into my DEC total. And then I reinvest that and buy more cards. And the secret is buy low, sell high. And then when I get enough of them, I combine them and make more powerful cards. And when the price on that card goes up, say if you have 10 cards combined and the card's $1, that means you have a $10 value card. And if that card goes up to $2, that card is now worth $20 because you have 10 cards in it. That's would be the base price for it. Okay. What else I want to show you on here? I've got a total of 156 cards. Now the commons are 5 points. The rares are 10 points type thing. So here's what they use that for. That's why reinvesting it and getting more cards helps you make money another way. One, it helps you in battle. Okay. And two, it gives you a number here, 66,040. Now, if I sold my cards, this number goes down. Okay. Because per each card you had has a point value. Like my gold card, I think is like 12,000 points that I pulled out of a pack, and I'll show you that. But if I sell it, this goes down, but I reinvest it with another card, it goes back up. So this number goes higher every day. So I'm getting more powerful and better position every day. And this is the free, they drop it every day right now. They're already halfway through. So for another, I guess June around is the last drop. They will be dropping Splinterlands shards, which are right now at 12.5 cents value. They were 25 cents when I started a month ago. They dropped like everything else did, and they were as low as 10, and now it's back up to 12.5. Things are starting to come back up a little bit. This is the value. So if it went back up to where it started, I'd be at $46 right now. But this is on the exchanges, so this could go up to $1, which means I'd have $184. But every day they drop at 11 o'clock. They do a snapshot. I'm getting about 6 shards a day. And then I'm also getting, because I'm staking it, 33.81% APR a day. And I've done this twice already today, and that's what I've made so far. I can claim it every minute on the minute if I want to. I usually do it twice a day, but I'm going to go ahead and show you. And then all I do is stake it, and that's going to add to the total, which in turn gives me even more stake. Staking's like interest for promising not to spend it. You're going to keep it on the platform. Even if you decide to take it out at this point, it takes, I think it's 4 weeks for them to unstake it. And all pretty much everything on crypto is doing that because it helps stabilize the platform from people who are just purely in for the money and not the collecting, because they'll pull in, pull out. So, and they reward you for this by giving you, one, they're giving you free, and two, you're going to be able to spend it on certain things that only holders of this who stake can do so. So it's a really good platform. They're constantly coming up with new ways to reward the user, the investor, everybody. They're trying to make everybody happy, and that's I've been really impressed with it. So what's another way that I can show you real quick, and then we'll call it a day. Let me go show you what I'm messing with right now. Okay. Again, knowing your market. And I am no expert by any chance on this market. It's overwhelming at first. It is. Anybody who's played card games, it's very overwhelming. But this guy right here, this one, and this one, I think are some of the best commons in the chaos. They're all good. If depending on how you use it, but the way I use it. And so I've been buying and selling these. And like this was 21 cents just half an hour ago. And it's gone to 22. But I'm going to go ahead and buy one anyway. And let me go to this. Oh, I got to go to the store. And this is how I use my DEC that I'm accumulating from buying and selling and renting. This is all, earned free money that you can use to buy stuff. So actually it's 23. I'm going to skip on that. You see how it moves up and down. So what I'm going to do for the rest of the day is wait for this. Right now I'm buying at 21 cents or lower. Sometimes somebody will throw it on there for 15 cents because they need the DEC. I don't know why, but they'll do it. So if you're patient, and then I'll either keep it and make this guy stronger, or I'll put it up at 27 cents, 28 cents. And you're like, well, what's the big deal? That's a few pennies. Yeah, it is. But right now that adds up. And then if I do that 5 times a day and I'm making 4 cents, then I get a free one of these. And those are the ones that I combine, so that when I get done with my combination of 400 cards, I basically got that card for free, and it will be worth hundreds of dollars. And it's a slow process. So now you can go with the bigger cards that cost, that fluctuate 50 cents, a dollar, and make more money that way. I got to build up to that, or I got to sink in more money. So I still got 11 months to do this, and I'm already 8% of the way there. So I'm not worried about it. I think it's possible. I think it's doable. And the other thing is they have an affiliate program. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. But if you're in affiliate marketing, or you want to, these are all the people that have signed up through my link. And that's one of the reasons I'm making this video too. And I have it below. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and sign up. Even if you're not going to buy in, just sign up and play the game for free. And if you ever decide to go in, then I'll get 5% of your spellbook purchase and your packs, okay, for the rest of my life. And so this is another way you can make money on this program, is by bringing friends. You can go to my website, ProAdvertisersClub.com, and advertise it. I do, and try to get somebody to join it from there. But if you'd show me you appreciate what I'm showing you, just go down below to the link, and please like and subscribe. I'm going to put out one of these. I also put out other videos on how to make money online. Most of it's as I'm learning, but everything I'm doing, I use, and I'm making money on it. Otherwise, I get rid of it, or I don't do it. And that doesn't mean it was a bad program. It just means I wasn't able to make it work. That's pretty much it. But this one is one of the keepers. So, and let me tell you something. With the NFTs, these are card NFTs. It's only going to increase the amount of games that you can make money from. And if you're like me and you've been playing video games since the 80s, if I was making money on all the time I've spent on playing video games, I'd be sitting around a nice pool right now in a big house, because I spent a lot of time. So now I can do this, and you don't need to play this all day. This is like a 15-minute a day thing where you come in, you do your battles, because you see this right here, that capture rate down below balance, that goes down every time you battle. And that's the percentage of DEC that you get if you win a battle. There's another way to make money I didn't tell you about. And so you can't play it all day, but you don't want to. You got other things to go do. But you come in for 15 minutes, move your money around, buy, sell, trade, look at what's going on, and you're done. And over time, it's going to build up and become valuable, especially since this is early. Anything right now on the metaverse is early. So anyway, I'm rambling. I'm going to let you go. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.